Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Instagram and moving straight to search. You don't need extra settings. Tap the search icon, switch to Places or the map pin, and the map will appear. If prompted, grant location access. This improves relevance. Once the map loads, zoom with 2 fingers and pan to the area you want. Make sure to switch between list and map views to compare results quickly. This gets you immediate place context and visible pins to explore. Next, type a specific place, neighborhood, or keyword into the search box to narrow results. You'll see pins and place pages. Tap a pin to open recent posts and business info. Once done, filter visually by looking for labeled pins, hashtags, or official business badges. These clues tell you verified versus user-generated content. If too many pins overlap, zoom in and tap cluster pins to expand them. This helps you find the exact listing or post you want. Finally, tap a place page to view photos, address, and directions. You can save it or follow the account for updates. Use the share button to send the location to others or open in an external map app for navigation. If the map or places don't appear, force close Instagram, clear cache, or reinstall the app. That typically restores missing map features. If problems persist, confirm location permissions and your network connection before retrying to ensure reliable results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.